look at some absolute values. We've got a lot of absolute values going on. Let's see if we can just like focus on one of them at a time. So I'm going to just highlight it in another color so we can focus on this one first. So let's do the absolute value of negative 12. Now, absolute values simply mean the distance a number is from zero. But a shortcut that people remember is that whatever is inside the absolute value is changed to a positive. So this absolute value of negative 12 is just going to be 12. So here's what I'm going to do, friends. I'm going to keep that absolute value on the outside. I'm going to rewrite this whole thing right there as just a 12. And I'll do it in purple so we know that that's where it came from. Now we still have the rest of the problem, so let's not lose that. And next, let's do this absolute value here. Again, I'm going to highlight it in blue so we can focus our eyes on it. So now we're doing 12 minus 3. And 12 minus 3 is 9. And then the absolute value of 9, making it positive, is still 9, right? So let's see. We have the rest of the problem. And now we're ready to do inside of this absolute value, the one absolute value we have left. 12 minus 9 is 3. So we have the absolute value of 3, and the absolute value of 3 is 3. Okay, so I want you to notice that I worked on the inside first and kind of worked my way out in this problem. And so you should approach it in a similar way so that you will make sure to not miss any of those absolute values.